Hi, Steve Adubato. It is my honor to introduce the recipient of the Maurice M. Mason Community Service Leader Award, Dr. David Kountz, on behalf of Hackensack Meridian Health. First of all, congratulations, Doctor. What is the message to everyone at Hackensack Meridian Health who is part of this award?
I guess thank you for your support, and thank you for supporting community outreach. It's important to our health network. It's important to support and inspire the next generation of healthcare professionals.
Yeah, let's talk about that right away, because a big part of your focus is, in fact, inspiring the next generation of healthcare professionals, particularly those who have historically not had access, not had the opportunity, underserved, excuse me, if you will. How have you and your colleagues at Hackensack Meridian Health reached out for them and connecting with them?
Well, I think we've done it in a number of ways. We really at our hospitals try to invite in the community and bring in high schools, bring in pre-high school students when we can to expose them to what a healthcare environment's all about. It's not a scary place. It's a place where you can do great work, where you can serve your fellow students, adults, and others. We go out to high schools, we go out to colleges, and we try to bring students with us, medical students, our young physicians. These are different ways that we can inspire them, both for careers as healthcare professionals, but also as more broadly as careers in the health professions, to work in hospitals, to take advantage of a lot of opportunities they're not aware of.
Doctor, but why is it so important from a very practical point of view? Why is it so important that those who are in the healthcare profession, in the field, reflect the community in which we live?
That's a great question, and it's a really important question. So a couple of statistics. Overall, New Jersey is third from the top in physicians over the age of 60. This is data from the New Jersey Hospital Association from several years ago. So we have to first and foremost repopulate our physician population, and the most likely way to get physicians to practice in New Jersey is to excite students who are from New Jersey. So we really want to look at the talent in high school and say, hey, consider a career as a physician or another healthcare professional. The other important issue is we have a great disparity between the population of our state and the underrepresented population of physicians. About 31% of our population in New Jersey is underrepresented. African American or Latino, Hispanic, about 6 to 7% of our physicians are.
That's all?
That's it.
Why does that potentially affect the quality of healthcare that's provided to the community you just described?
Yeah. So it's not to say that a black doctor has to take care of a black patient, but we do know that patients connect very well with physicians and other professionals from their own community, someone often who looks like them. It's also a way to ensure that we have cultural competency.
Yeah, that term cultural competency is used a lot, Doctor. What does it mean to you?
It means that we're training physicians and other healthcare professionals to really understand the environment in which our patients live. And by understanding the environment, we think they can do a better job of taking care of them. So we teach cultural competency at every level within Hackensack Meridian Health, but another way to ensure that is to recruit physicians from the populations that better mirror the populations of the communities that we serve.
Doctor, let me try this. It is the 80th anniversary of these very prestigious awards. This award, named after Maurice M. Mason, the Community Service Award, and Maurice was such an important part of this organization. What does that mean?
Well, first of all, I'm just thrilled and grateful and humbled to be recognized with the other prior recipients. And I'm appreciative that MD Advantage recognizes community service as important as medical education and leadership in healthcare. I think sometimes it's forgotten and lost, and I'm just happy that there's a platform with these prestigious awards that recognizes community outreach.
Finally, Doctor of Scholarships, big part of the EJI awards in medical education, medical excellence. The EJI Excellence in Medicine Scholarship Fund. I mean, a lot of students continue to benefit from this in terms of dealing with the very high cost of medical education. Why is that so important?
Well, maybe what this will do is inspire more individuals who've been fortunate in their lives to be supporters of medical education. I think it's a great platform for us to not forget that this really is a scholarship program. And it's one of those huge barriers. Regardless of your background, people often don't think about a career in the health professions because of its cost. So people think about these awards and think in the context of maybe I can do something to help support a student to be my future physician or my future nurse. That's a great message.
Well said. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you.